Meaning of ghostwriter.
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 Ghostwriter. A ghostwriter is someone who writes a piece of content, such as a book or article, on behalf of someone else without receiving any credit or byline for the work. The person who hires the ghostwriter is usually the one who takes ownership of the content and publishes it under their name. Ghostwriters are commonly used by celebrities, politicians, and business leaders to create books or speeches that they can take credit for without actually doing the writing themselves. This allows them to leverage their brand and expertise while saving time and effort on the actual writing process.